Republican lawmakers want an audit of Medi-Cal. Aton Wallace explains more on the concerns they're raising.
Governor Newsom has lied to the public.
Republican Assemblyman Carl DeMaio leveling that accusation against Governor Gavin Newsom, specifically about Newsom's policy to expand publicly funded health care services to undocumented Californians. It's a policy DeMaio says California cannot afford.
This puts the health coverage for poor people, children, the neediest among us at risk. Why? Because we've given away the store to non-citizens. We've given illegal immigrants free health care at taxpayer expense.
DeMaio's accusations come after the Newsom administration announced in this memo last month the state does not have enough money to fund Medi-Cal, California's publicly funded health care program, financed both by the state and federal governments. The program helps pay medical services for more than 14 million low-income Californians. In the memo, the Newsom administration said it had no choice but to take out loans to ensure it could pay off its Medi-Cal bills. The administration saying the first loan, $3.4 billion, ensured that the state could fund Medi-Cal through March. The second loan, worth $2.8 billion, ensured the state could continue paying Medi-Cal bills through June. DeMaio believes Medi-Cal's financial issues are a direct result of the governor's decision last year to expand its coverage to include undocumented Californians. Originally, the Newsom administration estimated doing so would cost the state about $6 billion, but now they estimate it will cost closer to $9.5 billion.
The reality is our fiscal house is on the brink of collapse.
Now, DeMaio and his Assembly Republican colleagues want the state to launch a formal audit to answer why Medi-Cal ran out of funds. For his part, Governor Newsom last month defended his policy expanding Medi-Cal health coverage to undocumented Californians.
It was something we said we were going to do. I believe in universal health care. I've been consistent going back to my days as mayor. We're the first city in the country to advance it. And it's just a core principle.
Clerk will open the roll.
Beyond the audit request on the Assembly floor Thursday, DeMaio attempted to totally block taxpayer dollars from funding health care for undocumented Californians.
With Medi-Cal on the brink of financial insolvency, we have to immediately take action.
But his efforts fell short by a party line vote.
Motion fails.
Democrats, meantime, acknowledged Medi-Cal is dealing with financial issues, but argued covering undocumented Californians will actually save the state money by providing preemptive care instead of costly emergency care picked up by taxpayers.
This coverage will get people into a clinic rather than showing up at the hospital at late stages of a disease. And the talking point that covering undocumented immigrants is going to increase our healthcare costs is complete BS.
And as for the audit request, it will now be up to the Joint Legislative Audit Committee here at the state capitol to either deny or approve it. Reporting at the state capitol, Aton Wallace, Fox 5 News.